This is Anjo. She's a 33 feet long Dutch full-keel blue water sailboat from 1987. This film was taken when we took her out of the water to prepare her for the winter. Anjo means angel in Portuguese. She has an engine of 37 horsepower. Originally, she sleeps 6 people, but as it is only 2 of us, and we need the space for upcoming adventures, we are planning to do some remodeling of the interior after we have fixed the most urgent stuff, for example, the electricity, ventilation, and some painting. As with any new family member, she's very demanding when it comes to attention and equipment. One of the main projects has been to sandblast her hull to get rid of the osmosis that we discovered, and then to treat her entire hull with epoxy. This is some pictures of Anjo's winter and summer dwelling, brought to you by our newest family member, Dino the drone. After this first film was taken, we were able to move her indoors. That was truly very fortunate for us, as we've been able to work all winter. Take care. See you soon.